What it do, gang? It's your boy Luke. Back for the 2024. Yeah. We made it, gang. We made it for the 2024. Anyway, I was searching on Marketplace. Yeah, that Valance is still there. I still hadn't put it on. But I was searching on Marketplace like I be doing. And I went down a rabbit hole. I didn't buy another vehicle. I did not. But I'm probably gonna. But the next vehicle that I buy, I'm probably gonna buy it, fix it, and flip it. Because I have the vehicles that I want to redo, or the vehicles that I have a vision for. I have them. I have them already. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Yup. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me set y'all up right there. Yeah. Yeah. Open sesame. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Don't that look good? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, gang. Yeah. See? Yeah. This right here is just a 3 to 4 inch lift? Yeah, it's a 3 to 4 inch lift, and everything's brand new. Cause y'all know I did need upper control arms for the white truck, cause the white truck is making that old man sound, that doggone. But it's all good. It don't bother me. But the way people be looking at me when I be bending them corners, they be like, they be looking at me. So I was gonna do the ball joints anyway. Oh man, this joker is brand new. Yeah. So these are the extended uppers right here. Yeah. And it's the whole kit. It's the whole kit. I got the drop bracket for the differential. Like, everything's in there. I ain't gonna do nothing extravagant. Like, this ain't a kit that I'm gonna like get powder coated and all that crap. I ain't doing all that. But I did get a real good deal on it. I got a real good deal, and everything is still, oh yeah, man. Everything is still in the bags. All the brackets. Yeah, everything is still in the bags. And yes, I did. Oh yeah. Yep. 2 of those. Let's see here. I got that right there. I'm gonna have to do some cutting to fit that. I already know. Got the keys. Got the 3-inch keys. Oh yeah. Yeah, we good to go, man. What is that? I don't know what that is. But you know what? I'm gonna figure it out. As long as I got 2 of everything. I don't know what that is either. Boom. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna figure it out. It did not come with the instructions. It did not come with the instructions, and it did not come with the shocks. But I didn't want to use rough country shocks anyway. I'm gonna use some Skyjackers. You know what I'm saying? Because I like the way Skyjackers look. You know what I'm saying? They may not be the best shocks in the world. You know what I'm saying? Because I know some people gonna be in the comment section. Oh, go with the Bilsteins and da-da-da-da. I don't have Bilstein money. You know what I'm saying? I got Skyjacker money. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm finna do. I'm finna go with Skyjacker. I like the way they look. I got Skyjackers on the Tahoe, and I like the way they ride. They ride good. You know what I'm saying? Most people might not like the ride of them, but that's your personal preference. I'm not gonna be off-roading in my trucks. I'm gonna be pavement scraping. Is what I'm gonna be doing. Pavement sliding. Call me what you want. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? If I get something, to off-road in, believe me, it's gonna be raggedy. And that's all I'm gonna use it for is off-roading. I've been thinking about getting a side-by-side. I do. But if I get a side-by-side, I want one of them 1,000cc turbo. You know what I'm saying? I want one of them. I don't want one of them little puny ones that flip over if you turn it too hard in the yard. I don't want one of them. You know what I'm saying? But this was going down. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah. This was going down. It sure is. I'm excited. I'm excited. So the only thing that I need to order my shocks, because I need shocks for this truck. I need to order my shocks, front and rear, and I need the lower ball joints, and I'm probably gonna get Moog, the Moog lower ball joints, because the uppers are already pressed in to these A-arms, or to these upper control arms. I'm excited. I'm excited. I cannot wait to start cutting, because I've seen a few videos. I've seen a few, because I do watch other people's channels, you know what I'm saying? And they said that I'm gonna have to they said that I'm gonna have to modify some things. So I'm gonna try it myself. Maybe I will have to modify some things, or maybe they put the kit on wrong. So, or maybe they, I'm gonna figure it out for myself, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I know that I'm gonna have to shave some fins off of the differential. I think the front diff. I think I'm gonna have to shave some fins, but I'm gonna try to shave the fins with the diff in the truck, if that'll work. You know what I'm saying? If it won't, then I'm gonna pull it out. And if I pull it out, I'm gonna throw a coat of paint on it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, throw a coat of paint on it. But I'm just excited. I'm just excited to show you guys what I went and I got, because y'all know that this kit is like $650. I think it's like $650 before tax. It's $649 before tax. I paid less than half. I paid less than half, so I ran to go get it. You know what I'm saying? I was bugging dude on Marketplace. You know what I'm saying? Like, dude, I'm coming to get it. Dude, I need to go get it. You know what I'm saying? Do I need to come to you? And he met me halfway. So, and the halfway point was only like 30 minutes away, which it takes 15 minutes to get to the other side of town. So that's close for me. You know what I'm saying? That's close. So anyway, those of y'all here still watching this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button for the 2024. If y'all rocking with me, man, hit that doggone subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm going to try to do videos as much as I can. I'm going to try to be in the shop as much as I can, but it be cold. I live in the La Montañas, you know what I'm saying? And for those of y'all that don't know what I just said, I live in the mountains. It's cold, you know what I'm saying? And once them ears get cold and my doggone nostril hairs get to frosting up, I'm not going to be outside. I'm not going to be outside, because I don't like when my nostril hairs freeze up. I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? I don't like it. You might like it, but I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? But y'all rock with your boy for the 2024. I'm finna put this lift on the white truck, and I'm probably not putting the rear blocks in. Oh yes, I understand. A bunch of people gonna be like, why you gonna lean that truck? The Tahoe's leaning. It's a baby lean. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Carolina boy. I'm gonna do what Carolina boys do. I'm finna lean that joker. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna, because I don't, this truck over here, it has a 3-inch body lift on it. And I tried to like, I have no pressure on the torsion keys whatsoever. Like, the bolt is just touching the torsion keys, and anytime I like try to add an inch, the wheels they toe in at the top. So I needed these uppers. I needed these upper control arms. That's gonna push it out. I'm probably gonna cut the bump stops off. Because I did not cut the bump stops off on the Tahoe. And anytime I go over a bridge, they clank. And the first time it did it, I was like, what's that? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got the kit. And it's new, man. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, it's new. It sure is. Yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. And you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to do what I can do on the channel. You know what I'm saying? Cause y'all know we got the Benz. Don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. I would love to jack that doggone thing up and put some mud tires on it. I really would. You know what I'm saying? But working on these cars right here is expensive. And then this right here, y'all already know. And if you don't know, I'm about to tell you. 1.8 T motor sitting right there, turbo. You know what I'm saying? I got everything tore apart on it. I just lost interest. I was gonna sell it, but I'm not gonna sell it anymore. I'm just not gonna sell it. You know what I'm saying? But you guys wasn't interested in this right here. When I was posting videos about this right here, I wasn't getting no views or nothing. And the goal is to grow the channel. You know what I'm saying? That way I could do some really dumb stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like build some really dumb stuff. Cause the ideas that I got in my head is crazy. Nobody's never done it before. You know what I'm saying? Or if they have, they hadn't posted it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I really want to do some things to this right here. But the only reason why I took this car right here down is because the way that my granddaughter looked at it the first time she saw it. Oh man, it was great. Like she could not stop staring at it. You know what I'm saying? And she looked at the car with love. You know what I'm saying? And when my kids were small, I had a blue one like this, and I used to ride them around in it, and they loved it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do the same for my granddaughter, but only I'm gonna do this car right here right. And don't know what's going on with my dad's motorcycle. I really don't know what he plans on doing with it. I had a guy that was gonna fix the carbs on it, but he said that he was too tied up, is what he told me. He said he was too tied up. He's got a bolt dock, said he was too tied up, and that's understandable, you know what I'm saying? If you got people that's already done paid, you got to get to their stuff first, you know what I'm saying? But, I was just coming to y'all with this short video on what is to be expected. I am gonna paint the grill. I'm gonna throw a coat of paint on the grill, and I'm probably gonna black out the middle. Actually, let me go get it and show y'all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, I'm most definitely gonna paint it. Yep, I'm gonna paint it, but then I'm gonna have to tape these ribs off right here, because I want these to be black, and I'm gonna leave the rest white. And I'm probably gonna do. I gotta take this out because I'd like to get a billet or a chrome bow tie for the grill. So I'm gonna set that right there. set that right there. But anyway, I ain't gonna bore you guys with my ideas. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Join Luke Fizzle 828, man. Y'all join me on my journey, cause I need y'all. I'm only here at this stage because of you guys and every one of y'all that subscribe, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it for the 2023. So let's go up for the 2024. Yeah. Let's keep on going up. Anyway, man, I'm out. Peace.